That's Barringtons. Absolutely amazing. How's it, guys? It's Stereo. I'm at Beacon Island Beach. Well, this is actually Robberg Beach. The beginning is right next to the Beacon Island Hotel in Plett Bay. I already showed you I'm staying at Barringtons and Plett. Really cool. I'll have some more footage of that. So I've just broken away for about an hour, and I'm going to do a bit of metal detecting here on this little piece of the beach. It's quite busy normally. There's always people walking around here, so just got about an hour, and then tomorrow morning I'll go to the beach I've been to before. It's on the other side. Yeah, and I'll do some metal detecting there. I think I'm going to be there really early, about 4:30 in the morning, to avoid the people. I do have some plans a little later today, and I might stay another day, and then I'll do Kerbum's Beach if that's possible. So let's see if I can get anything. Wish me luck. My first signal, a bit of a bouncy signal in the 70s and the 50s and the 40s, and it sounds like more than one thing. It's a very strong signal. Here we go. I think there's a bottle cap. So look. So it was that. Bottle cap. So just after that bottle cap, maybe a meter further, I've got another signal here. So look. Got it. I think it's going to be something similar. Yeah, bottle cap. Bottle cap. Rusted bottle cap. Bottle cap. Another rusted bottle cap. No, bottle cap. It's a bottle cap. Yep, bottle cap. Another bottle cap. Bottle cap. Yeah, real bottle cap sound. What is that? It's a flattened bottle cap. Yeah, so I found a couple more bottle caps and nonsense, but I think I found a 10 pin. I think so. It's just that feeling I get. There we go. 10 pin. Look at that. So look, obviously a kid's toy. There's a fine. The little owl. Awesome. Very cool. So I'm just walking here, and I just got a little nip of a signal. It's lying rough there though. So look. It's a 26. So got a signal strong 75. So look what it is. Fishing with a sinker. Very cool. What a heavy one. Yeah, I picked up a real 10 pen sounding thing. have a look. This one. Okay. Like a homemade float. Okay guys, I'm gonna head off. There's so many bottle caps here, it's ridiculous. But I am gonna go tomorrow morning really early, so keep your eye out for that.
Beautiful mussels, preserved lemon.
So that's the
3 cheese grilled sandwich, perfect.
3 cheese grilled sandwich.
Gorgeous homemade pesto. Short ribs.
Oh, that's the short ribs.
Perfect onion rings.
And then this is the lamb tails. Okay. So there's 10 rooms upstairs, like I showed you, and we've got a restaurant on the far side. This is the tapas and brewery. There's also a brewery, and then the other side there's the restaurant. We had dinner in there last night. There we had the pork belly. I had the burger. It was absolutely amazing. And tonight we're having dinner in the tapas side. So also got a garden in front. I will take a walk through there just now. It's very beautiful.